Okay, there's a truck. It's bright in there, you can't really see it. Gotta let it focus. But there's a truck. Lay the rear end back under it. Put the wheels back on so I can roll it back and forth. In and out the shop. Here's my dashboard. I'm making it hinged. Make it hinge so I can get into it. See. Make it hinge. I gotta put more round bar. I'm gonna put more round bar right here. And then up around. Make it look nice. But that's how she's gonna look. There's my brake and clutch assembly I'm gonna make. I'm gonna build a brake and clutch assembly. He's gonna make one and fucking buy it. And then kind of get one. There it is. Mounts. Here's the clutch. Then the brake. The brake. That's all I did today. Right here I'm gonna have a fuse and terminal block. I'm gonna put right here. I found it mounted a square tubing for the frame. I gotta cut that out. So it's my turn signal switches to mount. That's it. Have a good day.